Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the Infinity Clones filter on TikTok. Really easy and simple to do. So all you're going to do is go over to your TikTok application and open it up. Then you're going to head over to your Discover tab. Then what you want to do is do the search and just search for Infinity Clones. Just like this. And search, and all you're going to want to do here is just find a video with the filter on it, so any one of these videos. So just click on it, and then you will see above the name of the channel, you'll see Infinity Clones with a star beside it. You want to click on that, and then we just click add to favorites, and then whenever you go make a video, you'll be able to go over to your favorite filters, and it'll be there for you to use. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.